2025 Prelim RGPS Paper 1 Booklet B. Question 24. The ratio of the length of rod M to the length of rod N is 8:5. Okay, you have a ratio here, 8:5. Find the length of rod N. Okay, I'm going to redraw rod M here and bring the rod to the left side. Alright, so that it's easier to see the difference. Okay, this is rod M. Okay, and we have a difference here of 1.6 meter. Right. Now we know that the ratio of M to N is 8:5. Okay, which means that this is 8 unit and here is 5 unit. Alright. What is the difference here? 8u minus 5u equals to 3u. Okay, now can we find 3u? Yes, we can. Okay, if you just focus on this part, if you take 3.7 minus 1.6, that will give you the difference of 3u. So 3u is equals to 3.7 meter minus 1.6 meter. Okay, so 3u will give you 2.1 meter. U is equals to 2.1 meter divided by 3. That will give us 0.7 meter. Now, we wanted to find the length of rod N. What is rod N? Rod N is 5u. Okay, so it's 5 times u, which is 0.7 meter. That will give us 3.5 meter. Okay, that's our answer, 3.5 meter.